Are you losing sleep over your child's nonstop video gaming? Is the virtual world becoming their reality? If so, stay tuned. This video is going to provide some practical solutions to help you navigate through these digital dilemmas. First things first, communication is key. Have a conversation with your child about their gaming habits. Understand what draws them to these games. Is it the thrill of competition, the allure of a different reality, or the social aspect of playing with friends? Once you know the once you know the why, I'm going to start addressing the how. Secondly, setting boundaries is crucial. Designate specific hours for gaming, preferably after they've completed their homework or chores. This not only helps to limit screen time, but also teaches them about time management and prioritization. However, remember that all work and no play can make Jack a dull boy. It's essential to provide alternatives that are equally engaging. If your child is into strategy games, how about introducing them to chess? If they enjoy adventure games, why not encourage them to join a local outdoor club? The goal is to replace the virtual with the actual without compromising on the fun. Fourthly, lead by example. If your child sees you glued to your phone or binge watching television, they are likely to emulate that behavior. Show them that there's a whole world beyond screens. Read a book, go for a walk, or engage in a hobby. Finally, patience is paramount. Changing habits is not an overnight process. Celebrate small victories, like a day without gaming or an hour spent reading. To recap, communicate with your child to understand their interest in gaming, set clear boundaries for screen time, provide engaging alternatives, lead by example, and be patient. Remember, it's not about demonizing video games or taking away something your child loves. It's about helping them find a balance and showing them that life has a lot to beyond the virtual world. Stay tuned for more practical tips to navigate through the digital age with your child. This journey may be challenging, but with patience and understanding, it can be a rewarding one. Because at the end of the day, all you want is the best for your child. And that's what we're here for. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with more practical tips to navigate through the digital age with your child.